What is going on, YouTube? It is your boy Zab. Welcome back to another video. Did pretty good today. Made about 2.95% on the account. Worked out pretty well. I want to share with you guys what I did trade and what my strategy was. I tried something different today. I got out every position with 5% profit automatically set, and my stop loss was set at minus 10%. I want to see how many times I hit 5%, and today my trades were literally all I think I made 6 trades today, and 6 out of 6 went green, and I did pretty good. I did pretty amazing. It's about $283 for me, and my goal for the day was $100, and I made $283. So couldn't be more happier. Okay. I want to make this quick video, share with you guys what I did, and hopefully you guys see some value in it. What I see when I'm looking at the charts. So let me just go ahead and get started. Drag this guy over here and show you guys what I did trade. So this was what I was looking at. This was the zone that was very important on SPY. Again, I only trade SPY, so this was the zone that was tested multiple times in the past. So I dragged this over. This bottom zone here was also tested multiple times in the past. You know, every time I came into this zone, the price bounced up. It came into the zone, price bounced up. You know, it was a solid demand zone. So that's what I was looking for. And if I come back down here on the 2-minute chart, I saw that SPY was just bleeding. Okay, SPY was bleeding. It broke the uptrend, you know, so it was going in the downtrend. So how I trade is I look at what the trend of the day is. First question is, the trend of the day is on the downside, right? The trend of the day is on the downside, and it kept going down. So puts was the favor until it came into this zone. That was my analysis going into today. So then I switched to the 1-minute chart, and I started looking at what the price action was doing. So the first thing I did was, okay, we see some resistance here, right? Every time it came to this box, came back down, came into this box, came back down, came into this box, came back down. So on market open, you know, I waited for it to pull back a little bit into this area, and I went into puts. You know, now my stop loss was set at minus 10%. My take profit was set at 5%. So this one candle got me my 5% on the day, you know, and it worked out pretty well. And then I kept adding to my position over and over again. I go in 10 contracts at a time, anywhere from $70 to $100. So I kept adding to my position, and it kept taking me out at 5% profit every single time. Tomorrow, I'm going to increase that 5% to 6% to see how many times can I stay green, if my analysis is correct, you know. But I think 5% is pretty good. On one candle, you get 5%. You know, it's good. 5% return on the day on the account is also pretty amazing. So that's what I did. When it puts here, it came back down. So this was my first trade. I'm gonna go ahead and circle this. That was my first trade. Rejection here, pull back up, rejection here, and it went back down. And then I waited a little bit to see what happened here. There was a green candle that pushed up here, and I was looking for a break of this support line. I know it's a very minor support, but you know, a green push up happened here. So I was looking for a break of this green push up over here. Then I was gonna go in puts. So again, that was my first position. I think my second position was somewhere around the low of daybreak, which was around here. 1, 2, 3, and then when I came into this area right here, I started going into calls. Here. I went into calls over here. I made some money, made my 5%, and then I made my calls here. I made 5%. I think this point here is when I stopped trading. This point here I stopped trading. I did go in calls. Ooh, I want to show you guys something. I did go in calls over here, and I was down a lot because of this huge red candle, but this was my demand zone, and it kept pushing up from here over and over again. So I held my position. I removed my stop loss, and it worked out pretty well, pretty amazing. You can see there was a push up. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 trades happened on the day. Everything was a little bit of calls and puts, and I mean it worked out beautifully. Micromanaging your trades, taking smaller profits, I think would be a key to success for me, and I'm hoping that this will continue going in December. I made about $293 on the day today. Hopefully I make the same amount tomorrow, or a little bit more, but I will increase my percentage size to, right now it's 5%. Tomorrow I'm going to increase it to 6%. My stop loss is at 10%, and I'm hoping that every single time it's going to hit my take profit targets. Okay, anywho, I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. If I'm red tomorrow, I'm still going to share what my trades were, because this seems to be working really well. And if you guys got something out of this video, please go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. I only trade SPY, so every single day around 4 o'clock I will make a video on SPY and push out SPY. Market's still open, but you know, I don't care. I made my money, and it's working out pretty well, you know. If you want to go back and take a look at what the market is doing, you see this zone right here worked out pretty well, and it's pushing from this. Where did I get this zone from? Let's just go back, and I want to show you. This zone came from the 2-minute chart. I only draw my zones at the 2-minute chart. This zone came from the 2-minute chart, and this zone was this push up here. It came up here, retested this, so I know the zone was legit. It came up here, retested this, and pushed up more. So that's how I know the zone is legit. And you know, there we go. We are looking at it just going up and up. Again, amazing day. Can't complain. Amazing day. Small wins, that's what we wait for. And I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. Happy almost Friday. And if you're not already, you're watching this video, make sure to subscribe and comment down below what do you guys think of my videos, if they are useful, not useful. And yeah, let me know. See you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Bye bye.